Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to convert image to text using your smartphone. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, this will work for you. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So converting image to text is basically taking a picture of your already printed document and then extracting the text on the document from it by simply snapping it or taking a shot with your phone camera. So to do that, you are going to need to download an app on your phone. If you are using an Android phone, you go over to your Play Store, but if you are using an iPhone, you go over to your App Store. So when you are there on the search feed, you are going to search for Office. So when the search is done, you are going to find the Microsoft Office app. So you are going to click on it. So when you click on it, if you haven't installed the app on your phone before, you are going to see the install button. So you go ahead and hit on the install button and then your download will kick off. But if you already have the app on your phone like me, you can go ahead and hit on the open button right here to open the app. So when the app is open, this is what you are going to see. This is what the Office app looks like. So at the bottom, you have three buttons right there. You have the home button, we have a huge plus button right there, and also we have the action button. So you are going to hit on the actions button. So what you are looking for there is the image to text. So when you hit on the image to text, your camera will open and then you can point your camera to the document you want to extract text from. So when you do that and you have properly gotten the document into frame, you are going to press the snap button on your phone. So after taking the shot of the document, you are going to see this. So right here, you get to crop out all the excess parts of the document you don't want. And if you don't like the shot you've taken, you can hit on the retake button to take another shot. But if you're okay with it, you can go ahead and hit on the continue button and then the extraction will start. So you have to give it a little time for the extraction to complete. So after the extraction, you are going to get your text right here at the bottom. So from here, you can copy this text to anywhere you want to. You can paste it on your WhatsApp, paste it on your Facebook, paste it on your email or wherever. Or you can go ahead and hit on the share button to share it wherever you want. So that's it guys, that's how to convert image to text. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you and I'll see you on the next one.